XRP is running hot. It is over 50 cents and it has been running hot for a little over a week. We're going to find out and talk about why XRP is running extremely hot right now. Some pointing to Bitcoin commodities mentioned. We're going to dive into that. Some others pointing to a recent partnership. We're going to dive into that. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, make sure you guys subscribe. We're talking about XRP. We've been tracking this since 2021. We talk about all things crypto, a lot of altcoins here, but Bitcoin as well. We try to cover as much as we can across the board, multiple videos per day right now. Let's dive into the specifics here and talk about what's going on with XRP. So this is over on CoinDesk. XRP surges to a 5-month high as some point to Bitcoin commodities mention. And the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, accuses XRP of being an unregistered security. Of course, this has been ongoing for 2+ years now. XRP tokens surged 8% in the past 24 hours to buck a market-wide decline following a U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, filing against prominent crypto exchange Binance. XRP traded just under 50 cents in the Asian morning hours on Tuesday, reaching a 5-month high. Its XRP Ledger network has seen a number of fundamental upgrades in the past few months as well that could have also contributed to the rise. But a part of the bullish outlook, it says here, comes as some of the community said the classification of major tokens as a commodity in the CFTC filing against Binance could mean XRP tokens were too commodities instead of a security. Now, we know the CFTC looks at XRP differently opposed to how the SEC looks at it. Now, again, it's alleged by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, that it's a security in this ongoing Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. So this could have something to do with it. It says here in a January tweet, Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz said XRP is a raw good that trades in commerce, and one XRP is treated as equivalent to every other XRP. That's pretty much the definition of a commodity. Look at the price point. Guys, we're up 11% here today. Look at the past week. Look at the price action from 42 cents all the way up to 52 cents. Look at this in the last month, guys. Coming all the way up here from 36, as low as 35 cents in the last month. Look at the rise we have experienced. Look at the volume here today. Almost $3 billion of 24-hour volume. That's up 18%. Market cap is closer to 30 billion right now than 20 billion as well. Now, a prominent XRP influencer, Mason, he says breaking Casper has partnered with XRP. Ripple could be coming soon. And a partner, well, it's not official yet, but according to some things that were said, it could be coming soon. Casper and an XRP partnership, also potential for Algo and Casper and HBAR and Casper. We know all the ISO 2022 plays are very interesting. Mason covers those a lot. Shout out to him. Love to have him on the channel. We can talk shop and talk about crypto. This makes me 10x more bullish on Casper, he said as well. So just a few reasons why XRP could be surging. And let me know what you guys think about this down below. I do hold some XRP, so I'm enjoying some of the gains here today, loving where this potential could lead us. And appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next one.